bullish SPEL token price predictions range from $0 to $23. Market analysts agree that SPEL could hit $0. The price of tokens on the market in 2023 is expected to be $0, according to a 25-year-old bearish SPEL. Word token presentation SPEL token is the local government and marking system. Cross-blockchain lending stage badge Abracadabra Cash is basically the DeFi loaning project, which lets people put up collateral and get its safe coin in return. When you have MIM in your wallet, you can trade it for other safe coins or digital currencies that accept MIM. This isn't a new idea in the DeFi space, but it is a good one. Abracadabra is different from platforms like Auth because it accepts tokens that can earn money, like $Memo, $X-Slushy, and other Bend Arch coins. Abracadabra also has yield-growing opportunities where customers can bet their liquidity provider tokens to grow SPEL tokens. The venture was started by Daniel Sesta, who is also responsible for Popsicle Money in Wonderland. Alongside him on the torrential slide chain are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who run the stage and say they are from the Frog Country area, even though they have a strange name. Last year, Abracadabra's prosperity made an average of $2.2 million in fees and around $5 billion in TVL. The company also kept an annual income of $12 million. The goal of this video is to give you a detailed price prediction for SPEL tokens from 2022 to 2030. That's what we'll do. First, we'll talk about the different parts of Abracadabra Cash and how they all work together to help its clients. Then, we'll talk about the verifiable cost action and the role of SPEL tokens in the environment. The Abracadabra environment is the latest type of decentralized finance. Stages like DeFi 2.0 and DeFi 1.0 used to be based on leasing liquidity, such as paying yield ranchers in exchange for liquidity. DeFi 2.0, on the other hand, focuses on convention-claimed liquidity, or POL. Basically, if you ask for a new line of credit in the stage, your security will be your existing line of credit. It pays interest, which makes it a self-repaying credit. The MIM token, a USD fixed stable coin that is backed by IPNs, is at the center of the Abracadabra Cash. MIM coins are stamped on Ethereum by multi-sig holders, and they are only distributed after being collateralized. In the future, they could be linked to other blockchains. MIM can be used to buy more well-known stable coins like DAI and USD, or it can be used to buy Bitcoin directly on Bitfinex through the BTC-MIM pair. Algorithmic stable coins like MIM are given and taken from the circulating supply to keep their value fixed at $1. Mark, when a client gives security to Abracadabra and takes out a MIM token credit, the platform mints new MIM into the stock moved by the client KNS in the security obligation position. When you pay back the MIM, the stage moves the new MIM into the stock moved by the client KNS in the security obligation position. The convention takes MIM from the stockpile, reducing its general flow, so that those technicians can grow and get the MIM supply, keeping it tied to the stable $1 stick. The plan for Abracadabra Cash shows that the group knows that people with limited funds in yield-growing pools need to get out of those positions because interest-bearing tokens continue to grow in value over the long term. TV2Y Vault to get good returns. He has IFAS tokens that are currently worth $100,000 and are going up in value. If the client gets tired and wants to use this money to buy himself a new car, the SPEL token is currently worth $0. SPEL has moved 0.61% so far, with a trading volume of 590.8138. SPEL token is currently ranked 1024 among all digital currencies, with a market value of $71,987,760 per cost expectation estimates. Utilize ongoing SPEL token market information, and all other information is updated live on our website. This lets us give dynamic price estimates based on how the market is moving at the moment. Magic token value expectation. From some points of view, the 2023 SPEL token is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The SPEL cost prediction for 2023 predicts a huge rise in the last part of the year, possibly to $0. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be slow, but there won't be any big drops. The average rise will be $0. The price is very high, but it will be possible soon, given the planned coordinated efforts and steps. SPEL is supposed to start out with a value of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2024 out of 2024 SPEL token SPEL cost prediction has a lot of room for change because of the possible declarations of many new organizations and drives. We think the cost of SPEL will soon be $0. Still, we should wait to put down any bullish trades until the SPEL's general strength record comes out of the oversold zone. Bets that take into account the period of market instability will trade at a starting price of $0. Usually, swapping money costs nothing. Magic token value forecast 2025. If the pattern stays the same, it could hit $0 if it keeps going up and down. SPEL could be helpful if the market goes through a decay. The goal might not be reached. SPEL is meant to trade for $0, which is the average price. 25 SPEL tokens should be worth 25 2026 assuming that the magic token works. Fans of digital currencies think that the price of a SPEL coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. Based on our projections, SPEL will be green in 2026, and in that year it is expected to hit a new high that has never been seen before. In 2026, the value of virtual money will be $0, and it will cost $0 to make. Usually, it costs nothing to SPEL a token's value. 2027, after a lot of guessing and specialized research, we think that the cost of the SPEL is meant to go over a normal value level of $0. 2027 with a starting cost of $0 before the end of the year. Also, the highest value of a SPEL is $0 SPEL token value estimate 2028. Based on things that are supposed to happen by then, we expect that a bullish trend will keep bringing the average price to around $0. If the SPEL manages to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum price of $0, and if we don't meet the help SPEL needs by 2028, we could see a minimum price of $0. SPEL token value prediction for 2029. SPEL is working to make it easier for groups to work together. The bullish trend from last year is expected to continue, so the base exchange cost has been set at $0, which is close to $0.